Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Decoding and fixing the system_thread_exception_not_handled blue screen of death, BSOD. The system_thread_exception_not_handled blue screen of death, BSOD, is a common and often frustrating error in Windows. It indicates that a kernel mode, system level, thread has encountered an exception, an unexpected event or error, that the exception handler couldn't deal with. This essentially means a crucial part of the operating system ran into a problem, and to prevent further corruption, Windows shuts down the system and displays the BSOD. This tutorial will provide a comprehensive guide to understanding, diagnosing, and fixing the system_thread_exception_not_handled BSOD. We'll cover 1. Understanding the error *, what it means and common causes. 2. Gathering information *, analyzing the BSOD and minidump files. 3. Troubleshooting and solutions *.